model, 67-plate Vauxhall Combo L2 1.3 CDTI Euro 6 needs body, silver, panel van mileage, 116634 MOT, the 25th of June 2024 engine, 1248 cc 1.3 CDTI 95ps E6 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs slightly underpowered turbo actuator needs replacing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, parking sensors EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.